जब हम सुबह सोकर उठते हैं हमारी बॉडी बहुत स्टिफ होती है, तो इस स्टिफनेस को दूर करने के लिए हम करेंगे कुछ जेंटल मूवमेंट्स, जो हम शुरू करेंगे हेड से लेकर और जाएंगे टोज तक। शुरू करते हैं हम अपनी नेक एक्सरसाइजेस से।
Exhaling, chin down towards the chest.
Inhaling, chin up, look up. Feel the frontal stretch.
Exhaling, release down towards the chest.
Chin stretching up.
In the center.
Now look towards your right. Look towards the right shoulder.
Center. Look towards the left shoulder. Center.
Towards the right.
Center and the left center. Now drop your head towards the right shoulder. Right ear towards the right shoulder. Stay there. Feel the stretch. Left side stretch to the neck. In the center. Now drop the head towards the left. This time feel the right side. Feel the stretch. In the center. Once again towards the right ear to the right shoulder, center, towards the left shoulder, in the center. Now we'll rotate our neck, first clockwise. Exhaling down towards the chest and
Right, up,
and left.
we'll keep on doing. Om
2,
Om 3,
Om 4, in the center. Now towards the left. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. अब हम अपने शोल्डर्स की मूवमेंट करेंगे, शोल्डर्स की स्टिफनेस को दूर करने के लिए। फर्स्ट लिफ्ट योर शोल्डर्स अप, स्क्वीज योर शोल्डर्स डाउन, कीप स्ट्रेचिंग डाउन, लिफ्टिंग अप, shoulder stretching down, stretch up, squeezing the shoulders down. We'll rotate our shoulders. First forward, up, back and down. Keep rotating. Feel the movement of the shoulders. Now we'll change the side. Forward to back. Back to forward. Release down. Now stretch your hands, arms forward. Fingers to the shoulders. Arms stretching forward to the shoulders, forward and to the shoulders. Now join the elbows and make the circles. Big circle. Yes. Feel the movement of the shoulders. Relaxed breathing. Now we'll change the side. Anti-clockwise. Keep the back spine straight. Feel the movements. Yes. Release your hands, arms down. Now we'll stretch our arms forward, squeezing the finger joints. Stretch the fingers, squeezing, stretch, squeeze, stretch, squeeze, stretch, squeeze, stretch. We'll make the fist, bending the thumb towards the palms. Stretch, squeeze, stretch, squeeze, fist, stretch, fist, stretch, fist, stretch, fist, stretch. Release down. Now we'll rotate the wrists. Wrists ke movement, stretching your hands, arms forward, making the fist and rotate the wrists. Arms are straight. Feel the strength of your arms. Feel the movement of the wrist. Changing the side. Yes, keep feeling. Keep on doing. Feel the strength of your arms. Feel the movement of the wrists. Exhaling, release, down. For the spine movement, hands on the knees. Exhaling, chin down towards the chest and rounding the back. Keep on rounding the back with relaxed breathing.
Now look up towards the ceiling, arching the back.
Exhaling, chin down towards the chest, rounding the back. Nice round of the spine for the flexibility of the spine.
Inhaling up, look up, arch back, look towards the ceiling.
Exhaling, release, look forward. For the waist movement, inhaling, stretch your hands, arms forward and up. Arms are straight, stretching upward, interlocking the fingers, palms facing upward, back spine straight, maintaining the balance, bend towards the right. Inhaling up, exhaling towards the left, look towards the right. Inhaling up towards the right, look towards the left. Inhaling up, exhaling, release, down. Now stretching your hands, arms forward, interlocking the fingers, palms facing opposite side, facing forward. Keep stretching. Now drop the head back, keep arching back. Stretching your arms forward and up. Keep stretching up, spine stretching upward, shoulders stretching, arms stretching, feel the stretch. Exhale, release, down. Now for the counter stretch, slightly move forward, interlocking the fingers, stretching your arms back and drop the head back, keep stretching your arms back, feel the stretch. Keep your arms stretching back, look up, feel the arch. Exhale, release. Now for pampering your body, hug yourself, right hand on the left shoulder, left hand to the right shoulders and give a tight hug to yourself. Nice hug. Keep hugging yourself, pamper yourself. Face towards the arms. Yes. Face stretching up, look up. Exhale, release, down. Slightly come forward, feet on the mat, on the floor. Inhaling, stretching your hands, arms up. Keep lifting your spine up, keep stretching your arms up, look up. Exhaling, forward from your back, lower back, come forward and down. Try to place your palms on your feet, head towards the knees. Relaxed breathing. Now to release, stretch your hands, arms forward and up. Exhale, release. For the counter stretch, drop the head back. Release the posture, relaxed breathing to release the leg stiffness. Sitting walk. Release your feet down. Hands holding the chair for maintaining the balance. First, stretch your right leg forward. Rotation of the ankle. Rotation of the right foot. Change the rotation. Feel the gentle movement into your right leg. Left leg relaxed. Release your right foot down. Same with the left, stretching your left leg forward, rotation clockwise. Change the side. Release your left foot also down. Now bend your right knee, right ankle on the left thigh. Holding your right knee, bring it towards the chest for the pelvic region movement, for the pelvic region flexibility. Keep lifting your right knee up towards the chest and release your right knee down. Keep pressing down. Once again towards the chest, interlock the fingers, knee to the chest. Release your right knee down. Keep pressing down. Release. Now same with the left. Bend the left knee, placing your left ankle to the right thigh. Lifting, holding your left knee towards the chest. Squeeze your abdomen. Keep lifting up. Release down. Keep pushing down. Push it down, down, down to the chest. Feel the squeeze and stretch of your abdomen. Exhaling, pushing down. Inhaling, center towards the chest. Release down. Release your left leg, left foot down.
तो इस तरह हमने अपनी मॉर्निंग स्टिफनेस को दूर करने के लिए जेंटल मूवमेंट्स की हैं। इसी तरह की और इंफॉर्मेटिव हेल्पफुल वीडियोस के लिए आप हमसे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू।